Hi, this is Chad with Cloverhound, and in the wake of the recent coronavirus scare and the fact that I'm also a student, one of the things that came to my mind was what happens if we have to teach a bunch of kids remotely. A lot of schools are not well prepared for, I'll say, large-scale remote learning. And I think one of the interesting things out there is Cisco Webex just released a free version of their Webex. It runs for up to 40 minutes, which is about the average length of many classes. Most schools have LMS systems, which their students are using to check in on their classes, maybe communicate with parents, or just, if anything, be a content tracker. I thought, if we could mix these really easily, it'd be a way that people could, teachers could easily bring students in. Either it's remotely or hybrid. Maybe one of their students is at home because they're in a quarantine. So here we go. So we're going to come to webex.com and we're going to click Start for Free. And I've made two holder emails here just for this demo. So I'm going to sign up as teacher2 at cloverhound.com. And it's going to send a confirmation email over to me. I just got that confirmation on my email just to kind of show you. It's going to look like this. So I'm going to enter in these codes here. We're going to finish signing up, and we're going to see that it's going to provision over here. And you're going to see it's not going to take very long. We're going to have our own little WebEx here in maybe another 30 seconds. Now, while this is going, the next step is that we're going to be creating a Canvas account. A lot of people have Canvas. This integration is built with LTI. That'll support like Desire to Learn, Blackboard, Canvas, Moodle, Schoology. Most LMSs use that. So while this is finishing building over here, let's you can see I've got Canvas, try Canvas open here. So I'm gonna get a free Canvas account. I'm gonna sign up with the same email that I just used. So this is corporate. This is going to be teacher2 at cloverhound.com again. Let's see if, there you go. I'm going to do this. I'm going to set a password. And here we go. It's created me a free Canvas account. Once again, you can do this on your own Canvas, but we're going to do this here. So it's made this course for me automatically. Let's just see if our WebEx is done. No, almost done. We're going to go over here. Basically, what we're going to do to create an LTI, we're going to go under Settings, and you'll go under Apps. And we're going to click View App Configurations, and we're going to add an app. Now we can see over here, our WebEx is done. This is great news. So now that we have a WebEx, we're going to have everything that we need to set up this integration. So here in our LTI, we're going to name this Cloverhound Meetings. You can name it whatever you want. We have to give it our launch URL. We're hosting this at cloverhack.com because that's what this is, very quick hack. It's going to ask for some keys. We have security turned off in ours, honestly, but if it asks you, you can use these keys if you really feel that you have to have them. And that should be enough, but let's just do this. And here we go. We're going to submit. Okay, we're going to have Cloverhound meetings here. Now, if we go under modules, let's see here. I'm actually going to go create a new course real quick. Create a course. Okay, we're going to come in here. I'm going to create a new module about meetings. I'm going to add an external URL or external tool, sorry. Yeah. And I must have made this private, but we're going to enter the same thing in here. Cloverhack.com/LTI. And we're going to do this. Cloverhound meetings again. You can name it whatever you want. You can also choose whether you want it to embed or not embed. That's the load in the new tab. I'm just going to add the item. Here we go. Big thing here. We need to make them visible so our students will see them. So none of those are visible. When we click on this guy, let's take a quick, let's get this one more time. Looks like I got something messed up. My external app didn't save. I don't know why. Okay. There we go. So this is our LTI app. It's going to ask you for a couple things here. We're going to use our email. This is super important. It needs to match. We're going to use our organization name. We'll just use this. It's going to ask you for an issuer and a secret pass here. These are going to be generated by Webex in general. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this page. You'll find it in our blog. We're going to create a guest issuer. Okay, we're going to do just whatever you would like. You can name it whatever you want. So we're going to copy the ID here, and we're going to put it in here. And we're going to copy the secret here, and we're going to put it in here. And we're going to create our organization. Now, once this has been done, if you're an instructor, there's still a bug here. You need to refresh or just hit the link one more time. And what that did is this added you to what's called a Cisco Webex Teams room. So everything's done now. Students are ready to use this app. But the next thing that we need to do as an instructor is just go download and sign up for Webex Teams. So if you just come over here, you type download Webex Teams, and you go to here, you're going to come here and download for Mac OS. I'm on a Mac. If you're on Windows, you're going to want to download Windows. It'll just say Windows by default if you're on a Windows machine. That app, when it's downloaded and installed, it looks like this. And the reason that instructors are going to want to use this versus using it directly inside of the LMS system is they're probably going to want to share content. They're going to want to be able to control and moderate. And there's just a lot more features here in this app. So what we're going to do is log in with the same thing that we signed up for Webex with. So we're going to do our email there. sign in. And as you can see, when we log in, we've actually been added to a class that's the exact same name of our course here that we've made. So Cloverhound meeting demo. If we look back here, Cloverhound. So we're ready to go. We're ready to run courses, and you'll be able to chat and do video. So the last step here is that we just need to go add some users to this course, some students. So let me see if I can remember how to do that. I think you go to people, and we're going to add people. I'm going to add my student account. We're going to join this through a different browser. Student. So I'm going to add a name here. I'll call myself Chad Student. That'll be fun. Great. So I've added a user. I'm also just going to add a random person that's sitting in the room near me that doesn't really know how to use this, just to show how easy it is. R. Davis at cloverhound.com. So I'm going to add Ryan here. I'm going to add his name. Davis. Next. Okay. So Ryan, you should get an email invite. So should I, if we've done everything right. Just try and see here. I don't see that it added any people though, which is concerning to me on my end. I'm gonna try this one more time. As you can see, what I'm not is a Canvas expert. Oh, I had to click add users one last time at the end. Okay, I got it now. Let's do the same one for Ryan. Don't forget to click the add users there. Great. So there's some reason that it says pending still. Let me look at this one more time. I think I have to publish the course. Publish. Okay. Oh, I've got to finish registering. If you look here, Canvas sent me this email. I'm going to just go through this. Okay. So now I've got to log back in. All right. So now I've confirmed. So let's try this again. Now I'm going to publish. Okay. Now I think you're going to get an email over there, Ryan. Because I'm waiting for mine too. Don't worry, I'm not getting it either. Why? The curiosity. I'm just going to add somebody that is already on Canvas to keep this demo moving. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to bring over Canvas now and just go to log into Canvas. That is the wrong school. Here we go. And I'm going to log out so I can log in. And you can see here, I've been asked to accept this meeting demo as a student. So what I have here is I've got me. Oh, that's interesting. Teacher 2. I've got me in here as a teacher, and then I've got me over here as a student. Now, one of them is a Chrome browser, and the other one is a Firefox browser. And so you can see this here. So what we're going to do is you can see their view looks about the same. So student, you can see the different teacher over here. So we're not going to use this as a teacher. Remember, we're going to use our Spark room. So all that a teacher has to do is start the call. You'll see it pop up here with the window. You can see my video here in the office. I'm going to click Start Meeting. You can see it started, it's ready. Now when the student clicks on the meeting, you can actually see it's loading video right here in the window. We're going to answer this incoming call. And that's it. Now, the reason you see me a bunch of times is because I'm playing the student and I'm playing the teacher at the same time. What I'm going to do though, just to show this, is I'm going to log out of this. Okay, you'll see it goes back for waiting to join. I'm going to log out, and I'm going to walk over to Ryan's PC and log him in on my account as a student. Oh, you finally just got it? Just got it. Okay. So I was setting up Canvas right. Ryan just got the invitation. I just got the invitation too. And you can see Ryan has come in as well. I actually just got the invitation as well. Thanks for, can you say hi, Ryan?
Hey, everybody.
Awesome. Well, this concludes the demo. That shows you how easy. We set up everything from scratch in, I don't know how long it was, but it felt like it was only about 10, 15 minutes. Have a good day.